Hi friends, this is Sophia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video we are going to learn some formal phrases for everyday conversation. So are you excited to learn? Let us begin. So the first thing which we do when we meet somebody is greeting someone. So when you talk about greeting and salutation, we need to take care of the phrases which we are going to use. So the very first thing which we use is like hello. Hello is a very formal word. You can even use the name of the person. For example, hello Sam, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night. So these are the formal ways to greet somebody and to say bye also. And if you want to ask somebody how are they, so simple expression we know, we ask how are you, how have you been doing, or how is it going. So these are the expression we can ask somebody when we ask about someone's health. And the expression can be very simple and very formal, that I'm doing fine or I'm fine, thank you. And my dear friends, when you are going, when you want to say bye to them, you can simply say goodbye, have a nice day. It was really nice seeing you. You can even see that, and I will wait for you to meet again. See you again. Take care. Good night. So these are the formal expressions which we can use when we are departing from someone. Moving on to the very important thing, when we ask about somebody's work, whether they are working, they are student or all, then in that case, how do we ask formally? You can simply ask, what do you work in? Or what do you do for a living? Simple questions you can ask. These are the formal way of asking questions. So the answer could be, I am a teacher, I am a student, or some can say I am a housewife, or nowadays we say homemaker, I am a homemaker. These are the simple ways to say these things. And if somebody asks you, what are you doing right now? What are you doing at present? For example, I am explaining you something. This is a present continuous action. So in the same way, you can say, my dear friends, I am reading a book. I am practicing English. I am learning how to speak in English. Or I am learning to speak English. I am writing notes. So these are the simple expression you can use in a formal way to express that what you are doing at the time of speaking. It means right now. Now, some most common verbs we use to talk about past tense. If somebody asks you to talk about the past tense, so you can simply use I went, I was, I read. What did you do yesterday? How was your weekend? My weekend was fantastic. My weekend was really good. Or I didn't go anywhere. If it is negative, my dear friends, I didn't go anywhere the whole day. Or if you have gone somewhere, you can simply say, I went to my friend's house, or I went to meet my mother. So the simple expression, you can use it by using the second form of the verb. And if you want to say some phrases in the future, my dear friends, you just need to use simple future action, simple future verbs. For example, next week, next month, next year, or in a few weeks. If somebody asks you, what are your plans for tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow? You can simply say that I am going to attend a meeting in my daughter's school. I'm going to my daughter's school. I'll have an appointment with the teacher. I have an appointment with the teacher. Simply expressing the future verb action, you frame future tense. And if somebody inquires about your family background, or if you want to inquire about somebody's family background, how would you ask? Formally, It's very simple, my friends. You can ask, how many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? Or the answer could be, there are 6 people in my family. Usually people we don't use. You can even use members here, and people will also be fine. So you can say, there are 6 members in my family. There are 6 people in my family. And with this, I have come to an end of this video, my dear friends. If there is any doubt, do watch and learn more about formal as well as informal sentences. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.